tea lovers, this is Bree coming to you from Umami Gourmet Coffee and Exotic Tea. I'm coming to you today with another tea time with Bree, and I wanted to feature some of our teas that were really popular when we had our cafe in Virginia. So I pulled out 5 fruit teas, and we're gonna go over what those fruit teas are. And if you used to frequent the cafe in Virginia, then you will be very familiar with a lot of those flavors because they were really popular. I am working on the summer, the iced tea box. So that's what I've been having. I've been tasting, I've been full of tea. I've been tasting teas left and right, getting the tea box ready. By the time this video comes out, the tea box will already be out. So check us out. The iced tea box, the Taste of Summer iced tea box will be out soon too. So check that video out as well. But I have been experimenting with some hibiscus, some aloe vera, some rose hips, and some lemongrass. And this is what I'm tasting today. And this particular tea is delicious, and it is going to make it in the tea box, the iced tea box. But I wanted to feature the popular teas that were the teas that were popular in our shop in Virginia. So we're going to start with Peachy Keen. And just to let you know, if you're not familiar, you can check us out on umamitea.com. But this is our 2-ounce bag, and this is usually, I'm gonna have to put how many cups of tea this gives you, because with fruit tea it's usually different. So this is our 4-ounce bag, and this is our 2-ounce bag. So as you can see, you get double the size with the 4-ounce bag. And this is our Peachy Keen. So if you love peaches, this one is a great tea for you. And it has white and yellow peaches in there. It has hibiscus, it has apple pieces. It's a really good, if you love peaches, you will love this. Tastes like you just picked a peach straight out the orchard. It is delicious. Our next tea is called Strawberries and Cream, and I will put all the pictures up right beside me so that you can see what they look like. Now this tea it's delicious. But I don't want to say weird. You know what? What's exotic about this tea is it has the strawberry notes, it has the cream notes, but it also has like hints of banana in there. The banana is very subtle. So it's subtle hints of banana. You will probably never know that they're in there. It also has kiwi bits in there, but it has a smooth, creamy finish. And all of these teas that I'm featuring today are caffeine free, so they are kid friendly. And they're also great if you want an afternoon treat or you want something without caffeine. I'm caffeine sensitive, so these are drinks that I would have in the afternoon or late in the evening as a nightcap or as a nighttime tea. The next tea is Lemon Mango Punch, and it is just what it says. It has, oh my God, juicy lemons. It has juicy mangoes, and it's a punch. So this has very great tropical notes in there. It also has hibiscus in there. It has rose hips. It has apple pieces in there, but it's lemon mango punch. It is delicious. And this is one of the few teas that I also have I've blended with black, and the black tea is called Lemon Meringue Mango. And I'll also put the link to that down below. So this is another escape to a tropical island. This is Cococabana. Now, I love coconut. If you don't love coconut, you're not gonna like this one. But if you are a fan of coconut, this is definitely your tea. It just screams coconut as soon as you open the bag. It has coconut hints in there. It has tropical notes, pineapples, apples, hibiscus, rose hips. It has a pina colada flavor in there. It is so delicious and divine. This is my mom's favorite. Ever since I've been blending tea, anything that I blend still does not top this for her. She loves her Cococabana. And the next one is Go Melons and Pears. Now, Go Melons and Pears is goji berries, honeydew melons, pears, all of that dance in this beautiful, beautiful blend. And this is also delicious. Again, all of these blends are caffeine free. They are great any time of the day. They are great hot and iced. They are also great at night if you want a nice nightcap, if you want something that's caffeine free. Now, these are called my fruit infusions. And fruit infusions or fruit tisanes, fruit tea, they're all the same. What it is, I'll put the picture beside and you can see it is real fruit bits in there. If the teas have apples in there, it's real apple pieces, it's real pineapples, it's hibiscus. You see the fruit bits that are actually in the tea, and that's what you're brewing, or that's what you get in your bag. It is absolutely delicious. I'm gonna put a picture at the end of the tea that I brewed today, and you'll see the after the fruit bits have been infused, you'll see the nice swelling of the fruit bits and the lemongrass and the tea leaves, and that's what gives you that beautiful red infusion, red color in your cup, and the beautiful tea leaves. I wanted to show you the difference in our dried tea leaves, and you can see here, these are the dried leaves. You can see the rose hips, the lemon pieces, the banana bits, the goji berries, all of the wonderful fruit pieces that are in there. Although these are called tea, they do not contain tea leaves. The Camellia sinensis plant are not in these particular teas. You only, in your fruit teas, you only get the fruit bits, the rose hips, the herbal teas. You only get just real fruit pieces. And these teas are packed with vitamin C and a lot of other vitamins and nutrients in there. So those are our dried teas. And I brewed a tea that I'm working on for the tea box. And this tea has some aloe vera, some hibiscus, some rose hips, and a bunch of nice good flavors in there, some lemongrass. And what I'm gonna do is, you see it brewed to this really nice pink color, but I'm gonna take the tea bag out of here. You see those rose hips and fruit bits. You'll see the difference in the dried tea leaves, and this is the tea once it's infused and once it is brewed. So see how that is? You can see that the tea is swollen because it has been infused in boiling hot water. And with fruit teas, you usually can let those brew a little longer because all of the nice flavors, whatever flavors that you have in your teas, like for this one, you see the aloe vera in there, you see the lemongrass, you see the lemon peels, and the orange pieces, the carrot pieces. This one is really a good one. So if you order our iced tea box, you'll get this particular tea in there. But you see, this is the dried fruit bits, And then this is after it's brewed. And you see the water has gotten in and made them swell, and that's how you get all the good flavor out of there. So I just wanted to show it to you. This is after it's brewed. This is what we call the liquor in the cup, and it comes from the brewed tea or brewed fruit infusion. This is the wet after it's been infused, and then this is the dry before it's infused. And it is all delicious. So thanks for watching our tea time with Bree today. Please subscribe, please like, please give me a comment and let me know what you liked about the video, or what's your favorite umami teas. I would appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.